Hi guys, we're going to do a truth or dare challenge. Please like and subscribe.
Good evening. Our challenge for today is what we call truth or dare. The contenders are Arnold, Calaro, and Adrian Vital. Okay?
You need to answer in.
We will ask a set of questions and you have to answer this in English. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, in English.
Yes.
Puro yes!
Yes.
What if they will not answer in English? What will
No.
happen? They will drink this. They will drink yes. Huh? Huh?
Ikaw. Pag-uwi mo yung question.
Okay.
Let's start now.
Bakit ako?
Number 1. Do you go to bed? Do you go to bed without brushing your teeth at night?
Truth or dare?
Speak in English.
Yes.
Do you go to bed? Do you go to sleep at night without brushing your teeth? Yes or no?
No.
Truth or dare?
Oh, it's already begun. I already mentioned the answer.
Yes or no? Truth or dare?
Sabi mo truth.
Pag truth, ibig sabihin yes.
Answer niya yung question.
Truth answer. Truth. Okay.
O pag truth.
Oh, answer the question.
Okay.
Do you go to bed without brushing your teeth?
No, I brush my teeth.
Go, spin the bottle. One more.
Ano nga hawakan?
No kisses.
Oops.
Kalaro na yan. Oh, go.
What animal do you look like? Truth or dare?
Truth or dare?
Matatapos lang.
Truth or dare? Truth or dare?
Truth, truth.
Oh, what
Answer the question. Hindi, you look like. You look like
Personality ng nga.
Hindi, look like. Kahawig mo.
You're a pig.
Personality yun.
Hindi, kahawig.
Nung kawin muna.
Papa, drink this.
What?
Look like nga.
Look like
A pig.
Apig.
dog na lang.
Mag-woof-woof ka. Ay, spin the bottle.
Oh, spin the bottle. Sige na.
Ayan tayo na. Hindi. No,
Ikaw na.
Truth or dare?
Hindi, basta yung...
What is your worst habit? What is your worst habit? Truth or dare? Worst habit.
Worst habit. Truth.
Ah.
Oh, he's dialing my nose.
Siguro di ba
Kwarto ko yan.
Go. Dare to dare.
Parang kay na naman. Yeah.
Dare dapat. Dare.
Oh my God. Ano ba akin?
Oo,
question. Okay, question. Who do you think is the worst dressed person in this room? Truth or dare? Okay. Choose a
Number.
Number.
kumain ng ketchup, sabi niya nasa yung lumpia.
Number.
Four.
Hindi, ano ka na ito bang number?
Binalik mo yung 4?
Hindi.
Dali, anong number?
Number 1.
Check niyo yung number 1. Oh, yan. Ano yan? Ano yan? Pati yan? Yung sauce doon, no? Yung maanghang. Yung vinegar. Drink it!
Asin na suka! Ay, saan galing sa kilikili ng Bangladesh? Bala ka. Gumuguwi. Labuhan. Tawa na kita. Tawa na ako.
Next.
Spin the bottle.
Spin the bottle.
Oh!
Dito ka. Ganyan mo. Magaan. Ano yung magaan?
Oh, sa'yo na. Question.
Question. Have you ever practiced kissing in a mirror?
Yes or no lang yan?
Yes or no?
No.
Dare, truth or dare?
Truth or dare?
Trot.
No, you don't kiss.
No.
Next, spin the bottle.
Nagalagal pa ang mundo.
Oo, nung kabataan, di ba?
Nagalagal pa ang mundo, no?
Go, spin the bottle.
What are some
Wala pa?
things...
Wait lang.
Okay.
Sa'yo.
Wala pa. Ito na lang. Kunin mo yung gato.
Sa'yo.
Kunin mo yung mata.
Oh, question ba?
Okay.
What are the things you are thinking of when you are sitting on the toilet? Truth or dare?
Ha?
What are the things you are
Baka
thinking of
censored.
when you are sitting on the toilet? Truth or dare?
Censored.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
I am thinking I can spend more 30 minutes in the the stress release. Okay.
Sit down. Go. Ayun na. Go.
Okay.
Yung mahirap-hirap.
Okay. How would you rate your looks on a scale of 1 to 10?
Wow.
Truth or dare? Truth. Oh.
No comment.
Dapat. Sarili mo yan. Ano lang yan?
Oh, dala, go.
Walang hiya. Dati kaya kong suki.
Ang tambi pa dyan.
Number 8.
Ara. Diyos.
Sayong-sayo.
Okay. What's the most embarrassing thing you ever did on a date? Truth or dare?
Mahirap.
I
Ano?
let the woman pay the dinner. Because I forgot my wallet.
Or you don't have money?
It's the cost.
Oh, dala.
Okay.
Ito na.
Next.
naman, syempre.
Sige.
Oh, dali.
What is the craziest pick-up line you've ever used? Truth or dare?
Truth!
What?
Kahoy ka ba? Pick up line.
English! Are you a word? Are you a word?
Oh, I have this pick up line. Do you believe in love at first sight?
Oh, dali. Ikaw.
Ikaw rin eh.
Saya naman, syempre. Klaro, dali.
When was the last time you lied? Truth or dare?
Kanina lang, nagkuha ng pera. Bunot. Hindi, kanina sabi niya, bigyan mo ko sa akin pambayad mo. Saan ko? Ito, hanapin mo yung to, kuya. Yan, yan. Ano yan? Patayan, patayan. Oh, so lucky. Inumin mo da. Mantika pala. Spin the bottle.
Oh, fuck.
Tumatak sa bato. Ah? Pwede yan. Hindi pwede. Bakit?
Ano yan, Jen?
Bakit tumatak mo?
Baka maano tayo. Baka maano tayo sa... Things would you bring to a desert island? Truth or dare?
Yeah.
Ay,
5 things you would bring to
Sino?
a desert
Sino?
island. Si Adriano.
truth.
Okay.
Ano?
5.
Machete.
Hot dog.
Wala ko. Flint.
Ah, Flint.
Ano?
Pang ano ng yung English.
Speak English. Yes.
Water.
Hmm.
Water.
Water. Number 3. Number 4.
Water.
Mosquito repellent.
Wow!
Yan ang pinapanood ko eh. I like it so much.
Play tayo another challenge.
Okay na?
5 na yon?
Okay na?
5 na yon natin siya?
Isa pa, one more.
Duyan.
Spell hammock.
Spell hammock.
Ayaw!
Okay, amo. Ako. H-A-M.
Lamok daw. Sa'yo pa rin. Wala, wala. Go.
The people in this room, who do you want to
6?
No. Yeah.
Ano yan? Ah, yung oil. Bigyan mo kutsara. Buti na tayo niya yung Mountain Dew. Wala.
Hindi ko talaga kaya.
Kunwari pa na.
Oh. In the bottle.
Okay. Sino?
Wala pa.
Siya na.
Oh, next. Have you ever...
Yes or no?
Mas pag wala si Walter, ako lang. Nagkaroon kasi kami kasi ng nakagalan na
Next.
The tribe has spoken.
If you were rescuing people from a burning building and you had to leave one person behind from this room, who would it be? There na yan? Truth or dare? Dare! Truth!
Truth.
Oh. Who would you leave? Who would you leave behind? In this room.
Dahil na lang.
Dare! Oh.
Oh, bunot. Bunot na.
Masok-masok ka na. Nakatatlo na akong tao.
3.
Asan yung
My number 3.
Naku!
Hindi ito. Asan?
Kalala! Bought some rollerblades.
Ah, rollerblades.
Meron pa?
Oh, i-outro mo na. This is the end of the video.
Okay, we will end the
Please like, share,
and subscribe.
subscribe.
Ngiti ng tagumpay.